I often get asked how much did I pay Hugo to get me my first client. And since it happens that often, I thought I might create a video about it. And I should give a bit of context because if you just hear the number, you're thinking, well, that's a lot, or maybe is that worth it? And so Hugo approached me a bit over a year ago when I didn't know how to get any client, I didn't know what I was doing. He said, like, okay, I can help you for 1,000 euros a month. I will get you the client with my process done with you. Okay, I was also like a bit skeptical, but I saw testimonials of other developers and was like, okay, sure, what do I have to lose? I only have to lose my dreams and hopes and of getting this client, of growing my business, getting better clients in the future, improving my life. So went ahead, and then I really saw the results, the mindset improvements he gave me, as well as getting me a ton of leads and messaging them on their behalf. And for calls, he even on the first calls, he went on them with me. So that was really calming my nerves and helping me go along. So I really saw the value. And then after 5 months, around 4 or 5 months, it was like, okay, to really get the results, we need to ramp this up. And he actually came to Munich, where I live. He lived in Portugal, so a long way. He actually came to my town, to my city, to help me work more intensely, so we could work one-on-one in person on it. And we really ramped up the client calls. And that's when he said, okay, to live, I need to increase my rate and to help you better, more focusing on you. And so that's why it went to 2,000 after 5 months. And well, it really helped. We get more clients, work way harder, and we improved our systems. So it took me another 5 months to get my first client. I made a video about that, where I traveled to Portugal to meet Hugo there. Yeah, you can see it on LinkedIn, or I have it in the notes. So it took another 5 months for 2,000. So it's 10,000, 5,000 the first month, then 10,000 the second 5 months. So 15,000 in total till my first client I got. But I got so much value out of it that I can take forever. And it's a really good client. Pays good money, higher rate than I had before. No intermediary agency that skims money on top. And I don't have as many calls as with the first client. So it's really, I can set my own times way better with that client. So all in all, a super improvement. Why wouldn't you invest that money to get that? Because now I have 2 clients. Second one pays more. First goes a bit down, but overall I earn way more money. And so it's that investment will pay back itself really quickly. So why wouldn't you invest that money? If you're interested in also investing and getting that done, your clients, we're hosting a workshop together on Thursday. So if you're interested, message me or write in a comment. Have a nice day.